It's Christmas time. You guys got stockings? Get in them. Get in them.
No.
She can look at any stocking she wants. Let them share. That's what they always do. Look at Chanel's tail go, eh?
Look at Bree. She's actually in her stocking.
Is Bree inside? Oh, you get right in there, Bree? Get right in there. Look at her tail going too. Aren't they cute?
Look at this.
Aren't they cute? What you got, Shani? What you got?
Oh,
It's
Shani.
that's a bit of a pull toy. You could grab a hold of one end and let her grab the other end.
Bree.
Cat's gonna look.
Bree.
Look at Bree Bree. Look at all the kitties, hon. Oh, she's gonna help her with the plastic bag, Danny.
Oh, Bree.
Help her. Here, Shani.
Mom, where's Dad?
I don't know, but
There's a piece of cheese there. She doesn't even know. Here's a piece of hot dog.
oh God, look at them go. Get Shani back to hers. Guide her back to her stocking. Or Bree will get her stuff if you don't guide Shani back. Look. Get Bree to pay attention to your stuff. Bree's gonna. Oh, Bree's got Shani's stocking. Not fair. Not fair.
Bree. Shani, here's your stocking.
Shani.
She loves it. She's allowed to get into stuff. She loves it.
Call your dog, Dad.
Has she now got everything out of her stocking?
No.
Okay, well, let's get a bag open.
Dad, here, look after your dog. Get your dog's stocking, Dad.
Shani. What's in here?
Chanel.
Shani.
Oh, look.
Where'd her treat bag go?
Oh, that's not for a dog.
Yeah, boots. Winter
Mom,
boots.
where'd you put her treat bag?
She took it over behind Mama.
Mom, grab her treat bag.
Okay. Did you see Shani? She'd like to catch things in midair. I know she would.
Dad, help your dog. Dad, help your dog. Take Shani. Get Shani.
Oh, I got doggies. Shani.
Open it up so she can smell it, Brian, please.
Well, they're mixed up. Shani.
It's okay. She'll come to you once you got it open. Danny, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Everybody wants Danny's treats. Look at their tails going. They're so cute.
She's going for the bacon strips.
Oh.
She likes the bacon strips?
It's Christmas.
I'll give him a few there, Brian. We'll save a few for in an hour or so.
There you go.
Yeah, because they should have gotten cheese and pepperette sticks.
Mine didn't get cheese and pepperette sticks.
Yeah, I put them right in the stocking, and that's why when they seen them, they went so crazy over them because there was unwrapped food. Yeah, Breeze, it was right on top. That's why her head was in there. She was getting them before. Yeah. Good dog. Santa was good to you guys, wasn't he? Yeah, Santa was good to the puppies.
Should I give you one too, Bree? Oh dear. I got.
Bree, come here, Bree. Bree.
Keepers.
Bree, here, Bree.
Are they all excited, Brian?
Look how excited mine is. Here, take your pick. Oh. Bree, how many did you get?
She's had more than Shani.
Yeah, we'll give Channy some more. Channy's a food machine. She can eat more, Brian.
Bree's choking on hers. Bree!
Okay, calm down. Calm, everybody, calm.
My hands aren't food. Hi, do you get excited, miss? Oh!
Get Shani some pets too. It's all fluffy and soft. Yeah. And the first thing Shani likes to do is clean out Bree's bowl. Was that fun, Bree Bree girl? Hey, Miss Bree Bree? And Shanabelle, was that fun, Shanabelle? Yes, it was, wasn't it? Yes. Everything a doggy could want for Christmas morning. And a new bed. Everybody's got on their new pretty pink winter boots. Look at Shani. She's a little high stepper in her new boots. Let's see who's in your new boots. Look at Bree. She's the high stepper. Yes, Bree's the biggest high stepper of all. Hey, you like your new boots? They're pink, eh? Pretty pink boots for winter. Yes. They are slippery though, eh? I've seen her just slip a little bit on the tile. I might put some sort of little gripper pads on the bottom of them.
They're all right for normal weather, but out there in the snow and ice, they could break a leg.
Oh, Brian, settle down. You just don't want to put boots on before you take them out. You won't have to, Brian. We got them for show so that they don't get their paws all dirty, because that happened at the last show. So. Are you just a little thirsty, Chanel? You'd think you'd never had any water. The boots don't seem to bother you too bad, do they? And Bree's getting up in her new bed that she loves. Hey, Bree Bree. You like that bed, eh, honey girl? Hi, Bree Bree. Hi, Bree Bree. Hi, hon. Are you a happy girl this morning? Yeah? I think Bree's getting used to her boots. Shani's got her snowmobile suit on. Now she's all dressed for winter. She's a Canadian dog for sure. Shani! Hi! Nice ski suit, honey. Yeah, you look pretty. That's very stylish. Shani! Shani! Very stylish, hon. Yeah, we're going to make Bree one too. That one's too small for Bree Bree.